Good morning, guys, from our next video here in Lebanon, specifically here in Beirut, and I'm with my buddy Fouad.
Hey, what's up, guys?
And Fouad's driving us over to, how do you pronounce it?
Mano.
Mano. All right, so Mano is this recommendation for shawarma that I've gotten quite a few times. I've already been to Restaurant Joseph for shawarma, which for me, that's the best in the world. And then a few other shops, both here, up in Byblos, and a couple other spots. But I've been told that Mano is going to be one of the best shawarmas. And what makes Mano so special?
He does like the sujuk shawarma. Sujuk is like the sausages, but it's a bit spicy, but it's delicious.
Ooh, all right.
And there's another thing, the basturma. It's like a type of meat. Yeah, I don't know how to explain it, but it looks thin when they do it. You know how they do the turkey pieces in the machine in the supermarket? There's it cuts like into small pieces. It's the same thing as basturma. It's delicious. I think we're gonna love the food over there.
Sweet, yeah. So we're gonna have to load up. We haven't eaten anything yet today, so we can save our appetites and chow down on some delicious shawarma. So let's head on over, guys. We're almost there, so we'll see you once we get there. And it looks like we're coming up on Mano right there. It's sitting here right on the street corner, as you can see right over here, guys. And you can see basturma, sojouk, mani. Since 1966. That is a great sign.
Yeah, that's a legacy.
That is definitely a legacy. The challenge, though, it's the middle of a working day on Friday, and so there is no parking. There's a lot of traffic here, which for me, hearing all of the things going on, seeing all the things going on with shortages of fuel, it's crazy how busy the streets are still. But a lot of the traffic does come from lines of built up cars waiting to get gas. So you get a mix of both right now. But yeah, let's see how long it actually takes us to find a parking spot over here. Habibi, merci. He's the valet parking, so we don't even need to look for a spot.
Bonjour.
Bonjour, bro. Merci. All right, let's do it. And we're getting honked at. Thank you very much. Thank you. All right, here we are at Mano. Time to get some delicious food. Sabaho, bro.
Good morning.
Oh, good morning, good morning. Oh yeah, so this is what we've got going on here. That's the chicken. Yum, that is the chicken. That's the beef. Is that sujuk? Oh yeah. Habibi.
Chef Hanna, Chef Jabal.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
And you guys are gonna make some delicious food then today, yeah?
You're welcome.
Yeah, merci, merci. Kalakzo, bro, kalakzo. All right, let's get some shawarmas here, yeah?
Yeah. I think we'll start with the sujuk. There's something new.
So some sojouk? All right, bro, yeah. Whatever you recommend, we'll get it.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. One or two. Merci.
All right, we'll take those.
Sweet. So they give us a ticket here, and it's about 102,000 with the current exchange rate.
Two sujuk shawarma.
Two sojouk shawarma. That's the good stuff.
Yep.
Merci, Kalixo.
Yeah, this one.
Ah, merci. Oh, that's the sojouk right there. This is my first time ever seeing a sojouk shawarma. Oh yeah, that is good. Ah, there it goes. Yum. Look at that nice slice right going down there. That is going to be delicious. They're getting it fully loaded too. This is the only place that sells sojouk shawarma, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's their specialty here. And sojouk.
For you, not here.
Ah, yeah, for me. You're the man. Oh, sweet. Let's try a little chicken here too.
Oh, thank you.
Habibi, kalakzo.
Sorry, بس هو بلا كبيس. No pickles?
No pickles for me.
Pickles or tomato?
No pickles, no tomatoes.
What one is it?
Just the sojouk, the toum.
Yeah, garlic.
Yeah, sojouk, toum, and that's it, yeah? Plain and easy.
Fingers.
Chicken's very good, bro. Merci, chaye. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. So we're wrapping it up, and then that's like the heat box that gets it a little warmer. Yeah, oh sweet. So that's how we get it going. Jeez, I gotta come back and try each one of these.
Yeah.
You know? That's gonna be delicious. Oh yeah. And then this is where the toum happens. Oh yeah, extra toum, habibi. Yeah. Oh yeah, get the fries in there too. That is the good stuff. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That is what we call a sojouk shawarma right there. Oh, a little slice and dice up top too. Look at that perfection.
Yeah, that is art.
Oh yeah, Habibi, kalakzo. For you.
Gibbs?
Yeah.
You know what's the meaning of Gibbs? Oh my god. What?
He loves it.
Yeah, that's good. This is the one and only sojouk shawarma here, and they made that perfectly. So let's give it a shot.
Cheers, guys.
Oh my god. Now I understand what all the hype is about. This is so good. I will say it tastes so much different than like sojouk I've had. Like when you get it as like traditional Lebanese, you know when it comes in the bowl? How is that explained?
So it came with a Mano bowl. It was really hot. The sauce was boiling.
Yeah.
So it came with like pieces of sujuk with cheese. I think Parmesan and cheddar cheese. You know the different color of cheese, and like with small pieces of tomatoes. So it was bread with fresh bread. It was awesome. I know even here it's like the proper sandwich of sujuk, so it's really good.
Yeah,
it's lovely.
So good.
Yeah.
Like as you can see in here, it looks so much different than the sojouk that I had. And when I first got to Cafe des Sept, I was like, all right, this is my favorite food. Then I had sojouk at a few other places, and they didn't make it the same way as Cafe des Sept, so it wasn't my favorite. But now that I've had it like this, loaded with the fries, the tune, which is like a garlic sauce, if you saw my other videos, as well as this delicious hefty piece of meat. So yum, yum, yum. Quad trained me early on that the best part of the shawarmas are always the bottom, because by that time like all the tune has been pushed in, more infused with the flavors, and those last couple bites are just the absolute best. So let's enjoy it.
Mac, she's calling you.
Oh man. Look at that, we got a sojouk smiley face. These guys hook it up. Can you grab the camera for a second, bro?
Yeah.
Look at that, we got a sojouk smiley face, custom made. Kalakzo, bro. That looks good. Yum, yum, yum. Oh. The wind is taking it. The wind is trying to take it away. That is our smiley face to chow down on. Yeah, geez, I'm gonna put on a couple. Can you point it up this way, bro? I'm gonna put on a couple kilos after being in Lebanon for 2 months. Geez, we're just chowing down every day.
It's really good food.
And the last bite, I'm sad because it was that good. I can eat like 10 of these right now. Alright, now we gotta try this smiley face, bro. You gotta try some too.
Yeah. I'll try this.
What do you think is the better one to try first?
Anyone.
Alright, I'm gonna try this one out. What do you think? Sounds really good.
You try this.
And the last one?
The sauce is called
In Ene, yeah?
Ene.
And this is like what we had at Cafe des Sept. Like in sausage form sojouk?
Yeah.
This is still sojouk.
Yeah, but no, that's normal sausage. That's not sugar.
Normal sauce.
I guess we tried the pastrma. Really good. Maybe some pickles. They're really generous here.
Yeah, they took care. They just brought that out for us. Try a little pickles. It'll give it a nice zing right after it.
They don't like their customers to be sad. We came late last time, and they made us a shawarma.
Oh yeah. Yeah. We came here after going out, and we were like, we need to have one of these at like 2 a.m. And they already had closed. And we're like, please, please, please. They had just enough chicken left to make us some shawarmas the other night. And they were great, even at the very end of the night. Keith Khan Bros, you got one more shawarma going on in here?
Welcome, sir.
Habibi, yeah, let's do it. One more shawarma? No more? Oh yeah, we need a nice big shawarma.
1, 2, 3.
3, bro. Oh yeah. Extra tomb, bro. You like extra tomb, bro? No. Two extra tomb, 1 no extra tomb. Alright, let's see. Alright, so here we go. We've got them. That's a special way to do it here, right? They say this place is the best in the world.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there we go. Get her loaded up there, my guy.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. That is a good looking shawarma there. You see how quick you put that thing together? Oh, there we go. Oh, presentation next level up here. Let's get it. Yum, yum, yum. That's gonna be good, bro. Habibi, Kellogg's O Bros. Did someone say Mano? All right, I guess it's time to give it a shot here, bro. This is gonna be good, yeah? Let's try it out here. Extra tune, baby. Hey, merci, bros. Calexo. Thank you very much. Bye. Oh, that was good. We might have to come back later today to try the beef and the chicken. I think that's gonna be the move. What do you think, bro?
Yeah.
For lunch and dinner, Mano. That's the way to do it.
Wait, let's ask them this time at what time they close.
Yeah. Let's see, just so we know. While we're walking over there, you can see, is that fresh sujuk hanging in there?
That's, I think, basturma.
Basturma, and then is that sujuk, or it's all?
I think so, that's sujuk. Basturma is served like this.
Yeah.
And sujuk is served like this.
Yum. So that looks amazing. As you can see, guys, we're not the only one with the idea to come to get some sujuk. This place is popping off right now. Everyone is enjoying a nice shawarma lunch. Let's ask our...
That's our chat.
Hey, bro, merci Calexo. It was delicious. Really appreciate it.
Oh, they close at 2 a.m.
2 a.m. Okay, we're gonna come back later tonight. We're gonna try the chicken and the beef. Yeah. Inshallah, bro. Wallah, we'll see you soon then.
Thanks, man.
All right, see you guys. Thank you. Bye. We'll come back in a couple hours. We want to get the chicken and the beef at for dinner time. We return. Yeah.
Thanks.
Merci, bro. Calexo. All right, guys, that's where I'm gonna go ahead and end this video today. It was a bit shorter of a video, but as I've been told by many people in Lebanon, the sojouk from Mano, the shawarma sojouk, is some of the best, and I will tell you, it truly lives up to its name. We did mention on our way out, we're gonna go back and try out the chicken and the beef. We probably will at some point. Unfortunately, last night we weren't able to fit it in the schedule. We had some things come up, but let me just tell you, the shawarma we had was so good. And the night before, or maybe 2 nights before, we went there at like 2 a.m. It was their last batch, and we had some chicken then. And so I did get a small sneak peek of it. Wasn't as fresh as what we had during the day as you guys saw, but it was still so good. So highly recommend checking out Mano if you're gonna be here down in Beirut, Lebanon. The food is delicious, as I've said a million times now. So yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching. And if you like this video, make sure to smash that like button. And if you wanna see more videos here in Lebanon or all over the world, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button below, and we'll see you in the next video.